How to activate VoLTE on your Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable 4G and 5G calling for better voice quality on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. The Settings menu will appear on screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Your network settings will load. Following that, tap on Mobile Networks. The mobile network options will be displayed. Now, look for VoLTE calls or 4G calling option. The VoLTE setting will appear in the list. Moving forward, toggle on VoLTE calls or 4G calling. The feature will be enabled on your device. Afterwards, you may see a confirmation message. Tap OK to confirm the activation. Then, go back to Mobile Networks. Your network settings will reappear. Once that's done, tap on Network Mode. The available network options will load. Next, select 5G/4G/3G Auto or LTE/4G Preferred. Your device will switch to the best available network. Now, your VoLTE is activated and ready. The calling icon may show VoLTE or HD when making calls. Alternatively, restart your Android device to ensure it's fully active. Your phone will reboot completely. Once that's done, make a test call to verify. The call quality should be noticeably clearer. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you activate VoLTE on your Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.